I want to tell you about a very interesting pair of glasses. They look simple, but these are actually mixed reality glasses. That means they can add a virtual screen to the world around you. And unlike a VR headset like the Meta Quest or the Apple Vision Pro, these glasses are comfortable and lightweight, like wearing a pair of sunglasses. And while they're certainly not as powerful as the Apple Vision Pro, they can do many of the same things for a lot less cash. But who exactly is mixed reality for? And is it worth being an early adopter? Let's get into it. So what exactly are we looking at here? These are the VITURE One XR glasses, and they're essentially a pair of sunglasses with tiny projectors embedded in the frame. And when you put them on, the projectors create a virtual screen that appears to be floating in front of you. But they can't do much on their own. Unlike the Apple Vision Pro, these glasses require a video signal from a phone, a computer, or a game console. You can think of them like a portable screen. And when wearing these glasses, you can still see the world around you. This is not a VR headset. This is a pair of conventional glasses, and they weren't designed to completely shut out the outside world. But if you want, you can get a bit more immersed in what you're doing. These glasses have electrochromic glass, which means you can press a button and the glasses go from transparent to tinted instantly. And this allows you to adjust how much of the outside world you want to see. Oh, and if the electrochromic glass isn't enough, you can also add a lens cover if you want to completely block out the outside world, or at least the world directly in front of you. But there's more to mixed reality than placing a video in front of your eyes. In order to convince your brain that the screen is really floating in front of you, mixed reality headsets need to use head track so that the screen floats in the same place no matter where you're looking in the room. Motion tracking is a big reason why the Apple Vision Pro looks and feels like this magical device from the future. The VITURE One glasses do have head tracking, but it's limited in its capabilities. With head tracking enabled, you can be looking at your virtual screen and then look down at your phone for a few seconds, and when you look back up, the screen will be right where you left it. And this head tracking feature is what separates this device from other video glasses. And it works, but it's far from perfect. And I think this is because the glasses don't have any cameras on them. Instead, the glasses use an internal motion sensor. But the lack of cameras may actually be a selling point for people who don't want a bunch of cameras strapped to their face. But that trade-off means the head tracking is not as accurate as it could be. This, of course, could be improved with firmware updates, and I am hopeful, but it's worth mentioning. So for the past 2 months, I've used these glasses for productivity and entertainment. Let's start with productivity. The main way I got work done while wearing these glasses was by connecting them to my MacBook. I would treat the glasses like a second monitor. This turned out to be a pretty ergonomic setup, and I was able to edit spreadsheets, write scripts, and answer emails because the displays were sharp and the text was completely readable. I even took my laptop outside to enjoy some fresh air, but I still had my ridiculous 120-inch screen floating in front of me. It's also easy to take these glasses with you because the case is super small. Portability is another advantage that mixed reality glasses have over a full VR headset. The other main use case for these glasses was entertainment, and this is where these glasses are at their best. I love my Nintendo Switch, but that screen is limited to 720p resolution, and with the glasses, I was able to play through Super Mario RPG at full 1080p, and it looked amazing on my virtual screen. And I was super comfortable playing games on these glasses because they are super lightweight on your face. These glasses weigh 78 grams, which is much lighter than the Meta Quest 3 at 515 grams, and well below the weight of the Apple Vision Pro at 600 grams. I know the Quest and the Vision Pro are far more powerful devices than these glasses, but if playing games or watching movies is one of the main reasons why you want a VR headset, you may want to consider a pair of mixed reality glasses instead, just for the comfort. And like the Apple Vision Pro, these glasses can play 3D movies, which is excellent, but you will have to find your own sources for 3D movies because there's no built-in 3D video playback app on the glasses themselves. Speaking of 3D video, they appear to be the only other device on the market right now besides the Apple Vision Pro that can play back spatial video recorded from an iPhone. On the Vision Pro, Apple does add some special effects to make it feel like you are reliving a memory and not just watching a 3D video, but at the end of the day, that is what spatial video is. It's a 3D video format, and these glasses can play them back flawlessly. To get this up and running, you do need to download a separate app called Spacewalker, along with an extra dongle for your iPhone, but once you get everything connected, you will be able to play spatial videos. It just hits a bit different than watching a 2D video on your phone. So that's how I've been using the VITURE One glasses for the past few months, mostly for entertainment, but also for productivity in situations where I wanted some additional screen space on my laptop. But are these glasses worth it, and who exactly are they for? Well, if you, like me, are interested in Apple Vision Pro, but don't want to drop $3,500 on a headset, these glasses offer a small glimpse of what the Vision Pro can do. I liked using these glasses with my Mac, and I like using these glasses to watch spatial video, but that's where the similarities end. I recommend waiting for a more affordable generation of the Vision Pro to release. But if you're interested in picking up a pair of basic mixed reality glasses that are primarily for entertainment, then a pair of glasses like the VITURE One could be an excellent device for you. But if you're looking for a wearable device to use while working at your desk, these glasses do offer a basic mixed reality productivity experience that I found useful, but at the same time, the experience is not at the point where these glasses could fully replace a traditional computer monitor. Maybe in the future, but not today. But what I'm really excited about is that this technology can be had at a much lower cost than the Apple Vision Pro. And hopefully this means that mixed reality will be accessible to more people sooner than we thought.